Okay, so let me paint you a picture. You walk into your bathroom, look down at your toilet, and the water is black. Not like slightly off color, it's black, like your pipes decided to start brewing coffee without telling you. That was us. 20 years of buildup, a water softener system that has completely given up on life, and plumbing that was basically running on a prayer and mineral deposits. It was bad, like guests are never coming over again bad. So I finally did what we should have done years ago and replaced the whole thing when I found the Aquasana SimplySoft 40,000 grain water softener and whole house filter system. Now I want to be honest with you because I'm not a plumber. I'm just a person who was tired of explaining to house guests why the toilet looked like that. I was genuinely nervous about installation. I assumed it would be an all-weekend project with 17 trips to the hardware store and at least one moment of sitting on the floor questioning my life's choices. It was not that. It was a couple of trips to the hardware store, and the setup was way more straightforward than I expected. The base tank and cabinet system is designed to go in clean. As long as you are reasonably handy and can follow instructions without throwing them across the room, you can get this done without calling a professional. And the difference is night and day, literally. 20 years of hard water damage is a long time. Don't be us. If your system is old, struggling, or completely checked out, the Aquasana SimplySoft is genuinely worth looking into and is way cheaper than the plumber quoted me to replace our whole system. So check it out. Thanks for watching.